Hey there everyone, welcome back to the playlist of Stripe for developers, and this video we are going to eat a special burger. No, we are going to work with Stripe Checkout and specifically in Next.js. You can also for Node.js, it's a generalized concept. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright. In this screen, you can see in this particular video, we are passing sorry, one second. Let me just fast forward a little bit. Okay, I think here. Come on, Ajmin, you can do it. Alright, here you can see we are creating Stripe session checkout. And that is alright, that is fine. And in the last two videos creating price and product, I told you that it is very important. Otherwise, it will create millions of products in your Stripe dashboard and sometimes you won't be able to track that. In some cases, you need to create your product this way during the checkout. That's understandable because this is a use case. But majority of the time, I recommend you, and that is a standard way, that creating a product and price beforehand and then using that ID of that product and price here. So you see, we are passing price data, product data, everything over here. But if I just go to our Stripe API documentation and then go to this checkout here, this checkout and session and create a session, you will see that in the line items, we are just passing the ID of the price and that's it. We are not passing line items or something. But in my video, you will see, that I'm passing something out of the space. Yes, we are passing product data, price data, whatnot. Now, since right now we know how to create a product, create a price in the last two videos, just watch those. So let's now go ahead and do the same checkout in a different way. Let's go. Now let's go and copy this code. And now, in case you don't know where this code came from and what is this I'm doing, please see the previous videos. I have done everything from scratch and you will understand everything. This is very easy. App.get. What is this app? What is this get? You are gonna understand everything. So now we say checkout. You can give any name, Spider-Man, Batman. And this auto suggestion, this is coming from my VS Code. I can type it, but I'm very lazy, you know. So now just paste it. First we take a try catch. And then I pass the code here. And if there is something wrong, then I say console.log error. If it is right, then I'm gonna return that. Return again auto suggestion. I'm very lazy, so I'm gonna do that. You can just copy the code. That's very easy. So now if I just say in the postman, and what is this postman, what it came from? Previous videos. Now if I just send this, it will give me an error, but not in the postman, because I said if there is something wrong, do not send that, just show me in the console. So if I go here, and how did I open this terminal? See the previous videos. Anyways, just command J if you are on Mac. If you are in Windows, Control J. Alright, now you see we have so many of the errors. Let's do one thing. Let's return this error as well. Return, and this, no, not session. I want to return the error. Now let's do once again. So we see the error in the postman. We see so many of the errors. Now the problem is in the code there is a price ID. We don't know where this price ID came from. So we need to select an ID that we already created, right? Now, you see in the last video, we created a price API. You see this price API, this price API. So we can go to the database we can call the same API again. So let's call the price instead of checkout. So we will get an ID of the price. So we get an ID, just copy this. Now we need to call the checkout, but we need to change the ID in our code. Where? During the checkout. So let's change it and delete, and now paste the one we just copied. What if the success URL? Just leave it as of now, whatever it is. Now, if I just use checkout, send, where it says line items, you specified payment mode, but recurring, past a recurring price. Either switch to subscription mode. Oh, okay. All right. During the price creation video, I did not explain what is this payment, what is this recurring, whatever the stuff is. We need to talk detail on this, but for now, let's do this. Let's just copy the subscription, copy, and go back to our code, and then delete and copy. So paste. Now let's send. You see, now it is not an error. So we can go scroll down and copy this link, and we can go back to browser. We can paste that. Oh, come on, what is it? We can just okay. What? Come on, Ajmin, you can do it. I know. So we can just go there. Now we can go there. So here we have the checkout, as you see, and also we get the product name. We can also get the price and everything, and quantity billed monthly, because it's a subscription. It's not a payment. Payment means one time. Subscription means recurring. You got it. Now this is a better way of handling the checkout, because we are creating the product and price beforehand and using that during, if your website is an e-commerce application, you should, when you are creating a product in your database, you should call these Stripe APIs. So product is also created in your database, and at the same time product is also created on Stripe. Whenever if somebody update, you also call the update API of price of product. So this CRUD APIs are available for prices, the products. Just use those. That's it. In case you still not getting it, message me. I'll be there, my friend. Let's catch you up in the next one.